Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. August is around and we all are ready for our Independence Day celebrations. So here I am with another new recipe, that is Tiranga Dosa or tricolor dosa. You can just delight your friends and family with this tricolor dosa. So why delay? Let us see how to prepare this. So here I have taken amaranthus. Wash it thoroughly without any sand particles in it, and then once you washed it, then chop it into fine pieces like this and take it in a bowl and put it aside. Now for our Indian flag we have three colors, that is saffron, white and green color. So we are done with the green color, that is I have chopped amaranthus and put it aside. Now coming on to the saffron color, I have taken one large carrot and I have peeled it nicely, washed it and then chopped it into fine pieces. Now add the carrot pieces into the blender and blend it into a fine paste. Now for just blending it into smooth paste, do not add more water, but just 2 to 3 tablespoons is enough. And also for amaranthus, I didn't add water at all because there is enough water content in the amaranthus, so do not add water. If you add water in these two purees, what happens is when you mix these two purees in the dosa batter, that will become very thin and slurry and you won't get proper texture of dosa. So now I have dosa batter already. For those who don't know how to prepare dosa batter or very new cooking, then I have prepared dosa before. Please go check those videos and prepare dosa batter. You can have a healthy version of it. Now for three colors, I have taken 3 bowls and added dosa batter into it, and now I'm adding carrot puree. I have added carrot puree into it. Slowly and gently just blend it nicely. So here what the main thing we have to put in mind is, do not add more carrot puree into it, just putting in the mind that you need the color, that is saffron color. If you add more carrot puree, what happens is the water content in the carrot oozes out and then that makes the batter more thin and slurry. Then you won't get perfect dosa. So once we are done with carrot, now add the green amaranthus puree and slowly you can see that we have got nice green color. Now once you are done with our green batter also, so we are done with all the 3 colors which are in the flag, that is saffron, white and green. Now once you prepare the batter, put that aside and place a tawa or pan on the stove and heat it nicely. Once you heat the pan, then put it on low flame and add half a spatula or half a ladle of orange puree first. Now first I have made a mistake, that is I have spread the orange batter. Do not spread any batter because we are placing orange batter first, so that will be cooked for more time. So do not spread it, just dab gently in the middle and that's it. Now once you're done with the orange or saffron puree, pour the white batter slowly and then spread it into a circular shape like this, and then goes our green batter. Now if you get this thin line like this, do not worry, with the help of a spoon just spread it evenly on the edges like this as I have shown here. Now once we are done putting all the 3 colors, that is the dosa batter on the tawa, now put the flame on medium and high and then place oil on the edges of the dosa and in middle, and then that's it. You can see that it's nicely roasted. You can see those bubbles are formed. That gives the perfect texture, that is smooth and crunchy texture of the dosa, and we have got a nice taste and perfection. Now see, first I have done a mistake. I have told you the middle of the orange color that has roasted very dark in color. The second one I have tried and I have got perfectly. Now this is the thing you have to do, just add the batter and just dab it, do not spread it. So that's it, our Tiranga dosa or tricolor dosa is all ready. Now you can educate your kids or you can enjoy this Independence Day with your family and friends, and trust me, it has got an amazing taste when served with coconut chutney or peanut chutney. You too go give it a try and let me know how it turned to in the comment section, and also please don't forget to subscribe. Happy Independence Day.